Yeah, hi guys. This is Nikun Shah. I'm part of Cummins HRIT team. I'm working mainly in the reporting lead. So my main job is I completed my graduation in India. I completed my bachelor's in engineering in computer science, and I started my career with the Tata Consultancy Service as a software engineer, where I took training of the data warehousing, and then I was part of open source reporting, and then I started with the Oracle reporting tool, which is called as OBI. And then late now I'm working on Oracle Analytics Cloud, which is nothing but the cloud version of the reporting tool. So I'm mainly into data warehousing space and the reporting. That is my main area. So if you really want to work in IT, I would say, I mean, this is a really good career prospect. If you want to start learning, I would say like you should focus on the upcoming area in my field is data science. So that is what, if you get an opportunity to learn some of the languages like R or Python, you should take up that opportunity. And data analytics is one of the fields which is going to stay for another 10 years at least, especially like if you notice, like the data, everywhere you have a data, right? So people used to take photos earlier, now people take videos, then all the documentations. We are now going into all the e-text and PDF and all those stuff. So the data is going to grow, and in the future we'll have a different source type. So traditionally everybody used to use a database than flat file, but now you can see like there are so much of social media and so much of websites. So there is always a business need to process a different this data and different data and source this data, prepare some of the analytics and take the business decisions, right? So all, I mean, so data analytics is going to stay for long. So I would say it's a very good career opportunity if you want to think. And when you start your career, you should always have a urge to learn on yourself. So sometimes people say like we should take training and learn it, but sometimes you need to do a self learning. That is the best part of learning, I would say, because once you learn something on your own, you will never forget. But if somebody tells you and somebody teaches you something, you might forget easily. But if you have done a hard yard in learning something, I'm sure you'll not forget that one. So this is one of the things I learned from my seniors. And when I started my career, I used to do a lot of self learning, so that makes your base strong, and that would definitely help you in your career. And other thing is like so data analytics is one of the since it is one of the demanding skills, we don't have a lot of skilled resources for this one. So salary range is always, I would say, like even if you start your career, I'm sure you can get at least 60K or something. And like once you are like 10 plus year experience, you can expect a salary of say 90 to 100K, or sometimes even 120 to 130K. So best of luck for your career, and hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.